conducting thematic analysis. The fourth step is revising and reviewing the themes. Now we are going to copy these themes, Control A, and I go to codes, new folder, I call this final or revised. Click OK. And I want to copy everything here first, okay? So that's it. Now I'm going to look at this. Who did I call this theme? Do the codes fit with the theme? Subjective meaning of parental engagement according to the participants. So I can see like this can be participants' subjective meaning of parental engagement. I can type that. Participants' subjective meaning of parental engagement. So delete the first title, add a second. That's how you review, revise your codes, name them well, okay? That's the fourth step of Brown and Clark. And also the other one, effective types of parental engagement. That's okay. So if I did for all the 2 transcripts, I would have so many themes I would have to revise and rename. Let's move to the 5th step of the Brown and Clark 6-step framework for thematic analysis, which is defining and naming themes. So I'm going to right click on the themes, go to code properties and put a description here. Participant subjective meaning of parental engagement. This included the participant's own definition of parental engagement. Then I can copy that and paste it in the description. Remember, we are adding description for the themes. Then we have another code property, effective types of parental engagement. This theme represents the parental engagement approaches that the participants find to be most effective. You see? Now I'll add that description. If you look at code properties, you can see the description. Now, that's how you conduct the 5th step of the Brown and Clark 6-step process for thematic analysis, which is defining and naming themes. We have added clear names and descriptions for all.